How to check a misfire if you don't have a scan tool.
He's gonna do a power balance test. Let's see.
Was he just gonna pull the plug?
Oh, God, he's about to make a bad decision. No way, no, that's not what you're supposed to do. Okay, right now, I gotta stop what's happening here. Don't do what he's doing in this hack. What he's doing is he's pulling the secondary ignition wire from that coil. If you do that, you will destroy the ignition control module. He is gonna cost that customer a lot of money potentially. If you do that, are you always gonna blow the ignition control module? No, but your chances are gonna be pretty high. So in this video, what he's trying to do is to perform a power balance test. And with that power balance test, you are going to check how much each cylinder is contributing by checking the base RPM, whatever it idles at, and by pulling that cylinder, you are going to, or you should see a RPM drop. If you don't, then you know that cylinder was not contributing to begin with.
Is there any risk to doing this with your bare hand?
No, not at all. I mean, if you get zapped with 60,000 volts, you might pee yourself a little bit, but you're not gonna die.
I pee myself a little bit every day, and I'm doing just fine. He's got the right idea, the wrong methodology.
Yeah.
And that's why you're here as a real mechanic to tell people don't do it.